Hello, all students. So today we will be talking about the Midwest region, states, capitals, and flags. But we're only going to talk about the first half of the Midwest region. We all know that there are 5 regions. We have the West, the Southwest, the Midwest, the Southeast, and the Northeast. But today we will be talking about the first half of the Midwest. So we will be looking at 6 of these states. We will also be looking at their capitals and their state flags. So let's get started. However, before we get started though, let's look at the SLOs, which is our student learning objectives. So the 3 objectives that we have today students will be able to identify 6 states considered to be classified as the Midwestern. Students will be able to analyze and comprehend the meaning of these state flags, and the students will be able to create their own flags. That last one might be a little bit confusing at the moment, but I will get into it a little bit later. So now let's get started. All right, so the first state that we'll be talking about is Kansas, and the capital of Kansas is Topeka. So with this state flag, if you can look closely at the flag, we see that there are 34 stars that represents that Kansas was the 34th state. And then it also has plowed fields that represent the importance of agriculture in Kansas. So the next state that we're going to talk about is Nebraska. The capital of Nebraska is Lincoln. And a couple of things about the Nebraska state flag is that the motto is equality before the law. And then the second thing about this flag is that it has the Missouri River on the seal. And this is something that is very important about the Nebraska flag. Moving along to the next state. So the next state is South Dakota. The capital of South Dakota is Pierre. And a couple of things about the South Dakota state flag. So this is the state where Mount Rushmore Monument is located. And that's at the bottom, that's around the seal of the flag. And then also there's a date in the middle of the flag that is 1889. The reason that this is on this flag is because that is the date that South Dakota became a state. So right above South Dakota is North Dakota. So the capital of North Dakota is Bismarck. A couple of things about North Dakota's flag is that there are 13 stars above the eagle, and these 13 stars represent the U.S. 13 original colonies. And then also we can see that the eagle is holding an olive branch and arrows. And the olive branch and arrows, this symbolizes peace and war. Next, we will talk about Missouri. So the capital of Missouri is Jefferson City. And then there are a couple of things about this flag as well. So the red stripe, there are 3 colors. We have the red stripe, the white stripe, and the navy blue stripe. So the red stripe symbolizes valor, the white stripe represents purity, and the blue stripe has 3 different meanings. It means vigilance, justice, and permanency. And then also there are 24 stars around the seal, and this represents how Missouri was the 24th state. Alrighty, so the final state that we will be talking about is Iowa. The capital of Iowa is Des Moines, and also just like Missouri, this flag also has the same 3 colors. The blue stripe stands for loyalty, justice, and truth. The white stripe stands for purity, and the red stripe stands for courage. And then the eagle on this flag represents freedom. Alrighty, so that concludes our lessons for today. So now we will move into the activity. This is something that you're going to take home, and then you're going to bring it tomorrow so we can discuss it with your classmates tomorrow. So what you're going to do is you're going to create your own flag, and this flag is going to be something about yourself. So you can have many different things in this flag. You can have your favorite color, your favorite animal, a quote or motto that means something to you. Anything that describes you, you can put it in this flag. As you see here at the bottom, I have a couple of examples. The one on the right hand side, that one is the flag that I made. So you can see there's a cross at the bottom that represents our religion and kind of what I believe in. There's a family. The word family is on the left hand. I'm a big person. I believe in family. You can see the sun in the corner. That just means that my favorite season is the summer. So that's why I do have a sun up there. So these things that you put in your flag, you have all the freedom in the world to put whatever you want. It's just whatever describes you. So I appreciate you guys listening to the lesson. So have this flag done tomorrow before class so we can all go through this and share our personal flag. So thanks for listening today, and see you tomorrow.